Hi friends, it's Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org, and we have some Ladybugs cards that we are going to open today and see what's inside this lovely package. So let me find out what we have in here. So the first thing I see in this nice group of packages here is some stamps and some little sealing stickers. And then you have two smaller cards. So here's this beautiful one with birds. So it says these are made by teenage artist Karina Lynn art on Instagram, ladybugscards.com. And so these are blank cards and they come with the envelope. Here's a very beautiful one with these flowers and another blank card, so you could use it for whatever occasion you want. This one has a sticker with it that says "Make Art, Spread Joy, Karina Lynn Art." Next we have a card that has looks like a church with a mom and a child walking. Again, it's blank, and this one has a pretty tan envelope to go with it. So those are the three cards that I see. So I guess these are the three cards that you send to friends this month with the stamps and sealing stickers. Then there's a couple more things in here. Let's see, this is from the humorous.co that I talked about on another video. This is great for a sticker club. And this card says, "Make Art, Spread Joy, ladybugscards.com." And it said that I just received the July 2021 inaugural mailing. So this month's package comes with 3 cards of prints of original artwork by teenage artist Karina Lynn. There was the one-room school, the flowers, and the birds. So this was actually a one-room school, not a church. And then it came with the forever postage stamps, 3 of them, 3 envelopes, 3 envelope seals, and the bonus sticker that I showed you. So that is so fun. And here is another thing that I got in my package just for birthdays, a reminder calendar to keep track of all the special days year after year. Oh, this is fun. So here is each day of the year, and you just put people's birthdays there, and then you can flip to it and know who you want to send cards to each month. So I love this. This is such a beautiful way to support young entrepreneurs. So I will put a link to the website, but it's ladybugscards.com.